Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to turn on two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on Discord in 2025. If you're not already using 2FA, you're missing out on an extra layer of security that can protect your account from hackers and unauthorized access. It's quick, easy, and could save you a ton of headache down the line. So, let's dive right in. First off, why bother with 2FA? In 2025, with cyber threats on the rise, Discord has made it even more seamless to secure your profile. 2FA adds a second verification step, like a code from your phone, making it way harder for anyone else to log in. Alright, let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open the Discord app on your device or head to the Discord website and log in to your account. Once you're in, click on the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open user settings. Step 2. In the settings menu, scroll down and select My Account from the left sidebar. Look for the Enable Two-Factor Auth option. It's usually under the Security section. Click on it to begin. Step 3. Discord will prompt you to set up an authenticator app. I recommend using popular ones like Google Authenticator or Authy. Scan the QR code that appears on your screen with your phone's app, or if you're on mobile, it might link directly. Step 4. Once scanned, the app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter that code into the field on Discord, and don't forget to save your backup codes. They're like a safety net if you lose access to your phone. Step 5. Hit Enable or Confirm, and voila! Your 2FA is now active. To test it, try logging out and back in. You'll see that extra code prompt. A quick tip: regularly update your Authenticator app and keep those backup codes somewhere safe, like in a password manager. If you run into issues, Discord's support page has great resources. There you have it, folks. You've just made your Discord account a fortress in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.